Thank you for watching me make this tyre thumper. It's something I've really wanted to do for a while now. It was just getting my ideas together to get something what I really liked. It took me pretty much all morning just to drift the head on this. I thought by drilling it it'd speed things up, but it just didn't at all. And I also knackered up 3 of the shafts as well. But because of the magic of the internet and because of video, you don't have to see that. You don't have to see all the swearing. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe if you're not already, and hit that bell icon so you're notified of when future videos come out. And while you're here, check out the description where you'll find links to my sponsors and my social media pages. Head on over to my social media and give me a follow on there, especially Instagram. I'm quite active on there. And I also have a Patreon for if anyone wants to support this channel and support me and help keep me making more videos. So check that out, and I'll see you in 1 week for the next video. Stick around for some outtakes as usual. because I just can't seem to get it right. Goodbye. What? Oh, fucking thing. Watching me make this, fuck. Watching me make this, fuck off. Fuck. Curly Ash. And I'm chatting shit. A lot easier. Fuck off, I didn't forge. Over and check out my Instagram. I said hen over twice. Fuck off. From fucking hell. It took superiority of fuck off. Oh, fucking shouting. Forge, fuck off. And it was fuck off. Out, and it was fuck off. Fucking fuck. Retard, not the fuck off. I drifted that fuck. That fuck off. And it took fucking. Fucking. I got that fucking. Fucking hell. You help the fucking fuck off.